Sup guys, welcome back to our third vlog. And for this video, our new topic is about reproduction.
What is reproduction, Darra?
A reproduction is a creation of a new individual or individuals from previously existing individuals.
There are two primary ways: asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction.
Asexual reproduction requires only one parent to produce an offspring.
But in shortcut, it doesn't need sperm cell and egg cell.
Now, let's go to asexual reproduction in plants.
Asexual reproduction of plants use parts such as stems, leaves, and roots to propagate new individuals.
There are two methods to reproduce plants asexually.
Natural methods and artificial methods.
Natural methods of asexual reproduction includes strategies that plants have developed to self-propagate.
There are different kinds of natural methods.
Bulb. It is a short stem surrounded by fleshy leaves that store food for the plant shoot. For example, onion.
Stone or runners. This stem grows horizontally above the ground. It produces roots and shoots at the nodes. Example is strawberry plant.
Next is a tuber. Is another modified fleshy stem that grows underground. Example, potato.
Some plants like ginger have horizontal underground stems that often have roots and shoots on its nodes. This is known as rhizome or rootstock.
Corn is a short, thick, solid stem that grows vertically underground.
Next one is artificial method.
Ornamental plant species called kalanchoe are capable of propagating through their leaves. Artificial methods of asexual reproduction are frequently employed to give rise to new and sometimes novel plants.
There are different kinds of artificial method too.
First one is layering, a method of plant propagation in which a bent stem is covered with soil in order to generate new roots.
Next one is grafting. Grafting is a process of attaching part of a stem from one plant onto the root of another plant.
Micropropagation, practice of rapidly multiplying plant material to produce a large number of progeny plants using plant tissue culture methods.
And the last one is cutting. Cutting, placing part of a stem containing nodes or internodes in water or moist soil to order to produce new plants.
And so that's now in the asexual reproduction in plants.
Now we are going to discuss about sexual reproduction in plants.
In sexual reproduction, two parents are involved in producing a new individual.
Offspring is produced by the fusion of gametes, sex cells, from each other.
Sometimes it needs only one parent.
Pollination. Pollination is a process wherein pollen grains reach the ovule.
There are two kinds of pollination.
Self-pollination and cross-pollination.
Self-pollination. A pollination where the pollen transfer takes place between the anther and stigma of the same flower.
Cross-pollination. A pollination where the pollen transfers takes place between the anther and stigma of different flowers of the same plant or different plants of the same species.
That's all for now, dope.